Hello and welcome. Today we will be talking about how to implement redirection. My name is Luisa Salang. I am a board-certified behavior analyst with the Special Education Department for Santa Ana Unified School District. I'm excited to share with you about behavioral strategies and how to use redirection to help your child. So what is redirection? It's when we use a cue, which can be a verbal, gestural, or visual cue, maybe sometimes a comment, to prompt them to engage in the appropriate behavior, and it also increases these appropriate behaviors. For example, a student may have a hard time staying focused and look away during instruction or fidget with items when they should be working. Redirection may look like calling their name to remind them to do their work. Redirection goals. Redirection can help decrease problem behaviors, increase on-task behaviors, and increase social skills. And how does redirection help? It can interrupt a behavior we want to decrease. These behaviors can prevent them from learning or accessing their environment. Redirection reminds them to use the more appropriate behaviors. Here are some examples of how it can be used. When a student screams, you can redirect them by asking them a question. When a student begins to hit themselves, you can redirect them to clap their hands or complete a different task. When a student starts talking during a lesson, you can redirect them by pointing to the teacher or the lesson. Getting started. Ask yourself, what is the behavior I would like to increase? Is it staying on task, cleaning up, asking for items? What are some behaviors I would like to decrease? Being off task, walking away when asked to do something, crying when they want something. And what's next? It's important to ask why these behaviors are occurring. Why do they walk away when I ask them to clean up or pay attention during Zoom class? Is it too difficult? Something they don't like to do? Oftentimes, when we are redirecting them, we are also having to interrupt another behavior. And then we ask, what do you want them to do instead? We can remind them to ask for help, ask for more time, get attention appropriately, ask for a movement break. Remember, we might have to prompt them to do these initially. And don't forget, when they are redirected and use the appropriate behavior that you want them reinforce that behavior. Reinforcement increases behaviors, and we want to make sure that the behavior we want is more reinforcing than the behaviors we are interrupting or redirecting.
Reinforcing than that behavior we're trying to do.
And that is all I have.
Congratulations
on
redirection.
for completing our training on using redirection.
Thank you so much for your time and attention.
For questions, please feel free to email
the year.
me.
And if you have any questions,
Also,
please feel
if you are
free
interested
in more
information and
resources.
resources,
A lot
please
of this
visit
training was
the
modified from the
Autism Focus
Autism Focus
Intervention
Intervention
Resources and
Resources
Modules
Modules
website.
or the